UAE, also known as Emirates, is a federation of 7 emirates. The government in the UAE has a federal system. Federal system means each emirate is governed by its ruler. The ruler in each emirate is called Sheikh. Sheikh is a title that designates a royal family member. Okay, so together they form the Federal Supreme Council. The Federal Supreme Council is the highest authority in the UAE, which one of them serves as the president of the UAE, which is, who is the president?
President Sheikh Mohammed.
Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed is the president of the country. Islam is the official religion, Arabic is the official language, oil and natural gas. The oil resources of the country are the 6th highest in the world, and in natural gas, UAE is the 7th largest, has the 7th largest resources in the world. Earlier, until a few years back, most of the revenue of this country was generated through oil and gas. But over the past few years, it has reached to 5% only. And 95% of the revenue of the country is generated through other sources like tourism and trade. The economy is most diversified of all members of the GCC countries. GCC means Gulf Cooperation Council, what are the GCC countries? Qatar, Saudi, Bahrain, Kuwait, these are members of GCC. And it is the most populous city. Dubai is a global and international hub. The country has become less reliant on oil and gas. So reliability on oil and gas has reached to 5%. And 95% is through tourism, business, and trade. The government does not have any income tax. We are not having any income tax in Dubai. Corporate tax is there. And we have a value-added tax of 5%. So the VAT started in 2018, and the corporate tax is coming when?
Next year.
June 23. This is the map of the UAE. As you see, Abu Dhabi is the largest. We have 7 emirates. The whole country is having a total land area of 77,700 square kilometers, out of which 67,000 square kilometers is Abu Dhabi only. And Dubai is having, what is the land area of Dubai?
4,000.
Almost 4,000 square kilometers. So Dubai and Abu Dhabi together are having 91% of the country in terms of land area. And then you have Sharjah with 3,000 something square kilometers. So Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah are having more than 95% of the land area in the country. And all others means Sharjah, Ajman, Al-Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah are covering less than 7% of the land area of the country. Al Ain is not an emirate, remember. Al Ain is not an emirate. Al Ain is a part of Abu Dhabi. In terms of population, which one is the biggest? Dubai is the biggest with how many people? 3.5, let's say. There are different statistics, but let's say almost 3.5 million. Dubai is the most populated.